25% of the world population have not enough food and are undernourished, and on the other side, 1/3 of the world's available food either spoils or gets thrown away. That is enough to feed everyone in the world for about 3 months. Post-harvest loss affects farmers in rural areas a lot. They lose as much as 45% of fresh agricultural products because they have no possibility for cold storage or better treatment. The organization Solar Freeze in Kenya has a solution. It offers portable, solar-powered mobile cold room units for rural smallholder farmers, which allows them to store perishable agricultural produce for longer. This technology increases the shelf life of perishable food from 2 to 21 days and reduces post-harvest loss by 90%. The units are installed by young women whom Solar Freeze provides with technical skills for the job. The Solar Freeze cold room is not only a breakthrough in the storage of agricultural perishables, but it is also playing a major role in reducing deforestation. Farmers' productivity rises. Therefore, there is no need to clear more land to increase profits.